I have a Volkswagen Jetta here. It is hurt pretty bad, but I'm gonna repair this and I'm gonna weld a tab right here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box,
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Nissan Altima here. This one got hit in this left rear corner, folded up the trunk floor. I just about have this one fit together. The trunk lid shuts and latches and seals good. Taillights line up good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull the taillights back out and get this back panel all welded on. So before I start welding this back panel on, I'm going to do a weld test with the compression spot welder here, just to make sure that it's working properly, because it's possible for it to seem like it's working right but not be working correctly. Then what I'm going to do, I'm putting these vice grips on here and I'm going to peel it apart, and you can see how it tore out the backside just like it's supposed to, so it's working correctly. Alright, well I just about have this one wrapped up. There's a little bit of fill work that has to be finished right there, but everything came out very nicely. I got my new Q pads down, so I'm going to send this one over to Eric to do a little bit of fill work and get it primed up and get it over to our paint department. I have a Volkswagen Jetta here. This one has a messed up quarter panel. I believe it actually looks worse than it really is. At the same time, it is hurt pretty bad, but I'm gonna repair this. So I'm gonna pull the wheel off and I'm gonna start working out the wheelhouse, which is just rolled in. It's not really folded up. And I'll have to put a tab on the edge of this to bring that door jamb out so it meets up with the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to weld a tab right here and pull this out to bring this out to where it lines up with the door. Being that this is a 90-degree angle right here, if I don't bring this out first, I'll never be able to get the rest of this metal right because this is kind of locking it all in place. So I need to bring this out just a hair more, and that skinny tab wasn't going to do it. So I'm going to put this one right here and give it a little more pressure.